Hi again, this is a quick video. I want to show you something pretty cool that I just figured out with Nearpod. Okay, so in some of the trainings I noticed a lot of people were clicking lesson in Google Slides, and this is awesome. So when you click lesson in Google Slides, you'll notice that the page I'm on right now is taking me to Google Slides. And this is going to look familiar to some of you because you were ahead of the game and you clicked on this. All right, so this is what I learned. This is now Google Slides, right? You'll look at the icon next to the left of the tab, and it's the slide icon. We're not in Nearpod anymore. So what does that mean? That means that here I can actually build a Google Slide presentation. This slide is just like letting you know how things work. But from here I can go in, I can add slides, we'll keep something really important. Okay, and then just like how you would do anything in Google Slides. You've got your tools, you can have like your pretty backgrounds, you've got different borders, whatever. So all the same tools in Slides. This is Google Slides. Okay, so this is where Nearpod comes in. Once you have the Nearpod extension, you can click on add-ons, go to Nearpod, open Nearpod, and once you do that, a little menu comes up, and this is where you can have some of the Nearpod features, like the interactive stuff, inserted directly into Google Slides. So if I want to draw it, for example, I'm going to add or edit my slide. This is what comes up in Nearpod. This is the exact same thing. The only difference is we are in Google Slides. So draw a picture that represents how cool this feature is. Add timer, whatever, click save, and give it a moment. And now I've got a feature in Google Slides. And so this is awesome. So again, you can do the same thing with collaboration, memory tests, all these different interactive activities. You can do it in Google Slides. Now from here, this is where it's also connected with Nearpod. You'll notice at the bottom it says save and go to Nearpod. When you click that, a new tab opens up. Suddenly you are in your home at Nearpod and you have a new presentation. Mine's, horrendously incomplete. But you'll see this is the presentation. And so when you click, I'm just going to click preview. And this is what your students see. It's going to be the intro slide, which you would delete or edit to put whatever you want. Something really important, right? The draw it feature. Anyway, I just thought this was really cool, and I wanted to share it with you. That's all.